We're going to take a look at BBAI here on the daily chart. Now, a couple weeks ago, we were doing this chart basically every other day, and we were just talking about putting our fib tool on the new higher highs that we print each day. Well, now guess what? You have 8 days in here, eight trading sessions with just the bottom falling out of it. You had one green candle out of all of them. So basically, the past 2 weeks, just all red in here. We were just kind of waiting for that. That's why we had these fib tools on, just kind of and going up with each high because we were just waiting for that consolidation, that pullback to reverting to the mean. Now, where do we find ourselves immediately? Well, this 525 in here, the low today that we printed, that's going to be a support for us, that 520, 525 level, because right here, that 1231 day, we had a high in here of 520. That was a resistance for us. So the 520s could pose a little bit of support for us. And we had a gap fill here at the $5 mark, but really the main support we want to see is come back down here to the 61.8 fib level, which is this $4.68 mark. Because this is, see, that was a lot of action right around that level, a lot of resistance in here in December and January. So that would be a better place for us to kind of set up shop, consolidate, take a breather, and then work our way into that earnings that's coming next Thursday after market. So volume kind of dropped off the bottom here. Kind of expected that on that big hype run up into these all-time highs at 1036 and then just kind of dropping. And the RSI obviously fell with it. And it's making our way down here to oversold territory. So what we kind of want to do is kind of revert back to the mean, right? That's what trading, that's what options are all about, right? Expansion, contraction, reverting back to the mean, right? So we want to see this 9-day EMA and this 200 SMA come closer. We might all kind of meet right here after a little consolidation at this 468 mark. And then guess what? We got another news hype coming next week. We have earnings after market on Thursday. Then we could get another run up in here. But that's what we're going to watch. We're going to watch the 520s, this 568. And then resistance wise, we're looking at the 576. And then above that, it is going to be the 685 mark, which is that 38.2 fib level here on the daily that we're going to keep an eye on for resistance wise. Now we have a 58-cent expected move priced in by this Friday. Next Friday is going to be the earnings cycle, and that is going to be a $1.11 priced in move. And then in your March monthlies, you got around a $1.58 expected move in here. So all in all, kind of just, we knew this big run right here, we knew something was going to fall eventually, right? That's why we kept on putting the fib tool on. Finally fell, and now we're just kind of diving, trying to find some sort of footing in here. And it looks like it could come as soon as tomorrow, either on this 468 level, or we could set up shop right at the 520s, where we hit the low in here today. But all in all, we do have earnings next week. So we kind of have to be aware of that. That's always got to be lingering in the back of our mind when we're playing this stock in here. All right, guys, if you like this video, make sure to check us out on all of our social media. We also have a Discord service if you are interested, and you can find all of our socials in the description below.